Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natutigan natin ang sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirits ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kung naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay, ng mga Capricorn ng ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-tiglig na umapaw man balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka, dala ito namin saya sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Okay, Capricorn. This is your moment, no? Ano kayo magiging pasabog na naman sa'yo for today's video? Kamusta na kayo yung guys, no? Malapit na ang ating, kumbaga, kapaskuhan. So, this is after nitong November nito ay December na. So, palapit na talaga. Di ba? At magkakaroon na tayo ng pasilip for 2024. Kaya abang-abang kayo, ha? And of course, titigan natin kung anong, baka maisingit natin yung mga, ilalagay or something na gagawin before 24, no? Pagpasok ng 2024 para maging maganda ang hatak ng inyong buong taon, 'di ba? Okay, umpisahan na natin. Okay. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information for the sign of Capricorn. There is a Page of Pentacles. There is a new ideas and new plan. So, may mga bagay na gusto kang gawin or kumbaga may isa katuparan. So, this is the time para ma-manifest mo yan. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. There's a new beginning coming in for you. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at bagong kumbaga, plano. Additional messages. And of course, there's an Ace of Cups. There's a new romance, no? May bagong pakilig dito, no? And of course, let's see. And of course, there's Knight of Wands. So, there's a slow and steady ko. Ibig sabihin dito, getting to know each other, no? Kumbaga, some of you, if you are single, no? Na sinasabi na kailangan mong kilalanin muna ulit yung taong mamahalin mo. Huwag kang maging padalos-dalos at kailangan mo maging mahinahon. Pwede kang humarot, pero hindi ka pwede maging marupok. Or, sabi, marupok. Additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes, no? May magbabago dito. At ang pagbabago na to, baka magdala sa'yo ng pagkasira or pagkabuo, no? And of course, oh wow, the star card. So, magdadala siya ng pagkabuo. Ganun. And of course, there's the star card. Sinasabi dito, there's a wish fulfillment. Magkakaroon ka ng healing and happiness. So, let's see what is the Page of Pentacles. The star is a wishing coming true. Parang ganon. Wishes granted. And because there's a hermit card, there's a soul searching and soul enlightenment. So, pagdating sa mga spiritual mo, kumbaga magkakaroon ka raw ng new ideas, no? Kumbaga baka madagdagan ng, kumbaga baka makaisip ka ng paraan or something ng way, no? Paano ka makakapag-attract ng good energy. Like example, kumbaga baka balak mong kumuha ng mga charms na makakatulong sa'yo, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, you need a gemstone. Parang ang lakas ng energy ko dito na kailangan mo ang gemstone. Gemstone for healing and of course for your finances. No? At ang kailangan mo talaga rin yung pag-boost ng confidence. And of course, there's a Chariot card. No? So, sinasabi dito, there's a good energy na sinasabi taking action. So, kailangan mo talagang kumilos. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng bago simula, hindi yan na nakatunganga ka lang or something. No? Kailangan mo mag-isip, gumawa ng paraan or gumawa ng action, something, a movement, para nang sa ganun dumaloy din ang magandang kapalaran sa'yo. What is the Ace of Cups? There's a Wheel of Fortune. Sabi ko na yan, no? The Wheel of Fortune is a destiny and blessing. blessed, no? Kumbaga, hindi yan iikot ang kapalaran, no? Hindi iikot ang swerte, wala kang tinitake ng action. So, kailangan mong kumilos at kailangan mong gumalaw at kailangan mong gumawa ng paraan para makapag-attract ng good energy and blessings, no? Kasi, kapag ganun talaga, pag inaalat ka. Kahit anong sipag mo, kapag maalat sa'yo. Tandaan mo yan, no? Pero kapag yung swerte, 'di ba? Swerte at may swerte ka talaga at may pumapasok na swerte sa iyo, 'di ba? Kahit anong alat 'yan, gagawa ng paraan yung swerte para pumasok sa iyo. No, in other way, kahit sabi mong matubal 'yan, pagdating talaga may papasok na swerte sa iyo, gagawa ng paraan sa ibang paraan. So let's see what is the Nine of Wands. What is the Nine of Wands? So, there's Two of Pentacles. There's a balance. So, some of you guys, kailangan mo magkaroon ng balance, no? Emotional and of course, sa practical. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo maging mahinahon at maging pagdadalas-dalas sa mga desisyon. So, what is the Tower moment? A Tower moment represent the Two of Wands. So, there's a two paths. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's tingnan mo yung higher both situation, no? Tingnan mo yung higher eksena dito na itong side na to, kumbaga, ito yung mas maganda at makakatulong sa'yo. Parang ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, mag-isip ka ng bagay na alam mong magbibigay sa'yo ng good attractions, no? Kasi para sinasabi, meron ka dito pag-iisipan or decision eh. No, kaya kumbaga kailangan mo malaman yung tamang position or tamang way, no? Kumbaga parang ano yan eh, parang pampaswerte yan na kumbaga dapat may pwesto or maganda yung pwesto or maganda yung lugar. O some of you baka may business ka, no? Baka mali lang talaga yung pwesto ng business mo. Or some of you may mali ka dun sa business mo na ginawa kaya hindi siya nagtutuloy-tuloy yung pagpasok na magandang kapalaran. And of course, there is a Queen of Cups. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng healing dito that represent the star card para sinasabi dito na magkakaroon ka ng healing and of course double clarification, healing and happiness and miracles. So talaga sinasabi ng healing so ibig sabihin miracle. Let's see what is Page of Pentacles and the Hermit card. What is the Page of Pentacles and the Hermit card? There's a Five of Pentacles. So, some of you kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng analyzation about sa finances. So, some of you baka magkaroon ka ng mag-collapse ang finances mo or magkaroon ng losses. So, kailangan maging aware about sa ano. Kumbaga, okay. Meron ka daw nakalagay na isang, kumbaga, meron daw, kumbaga sa hermit card kasi parang there's a spiritual. So, ibig sabihin dito daw about sa Five Pentacles, so about sa finances. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mali ka ng way, no, on how to put your charms and protections. No, mali yung ginawa mo. May mali ka dito or may maling pwesto ng business mo or negosyo, trabaho or sa bahay nyo. Or some of you nakakapag-atcha ka ng yung mabilis yung paggastos or something. Kumbaga baka yung pintuan nyo, kumbaga, ang tapat niya is hagdanan, parang gano'n. Kumbaga, ang bilis ng daloy, kailangan mayroong nagbablock doon para at least hindi siya magtuloy-tuloy na paglabas, no? Kasi pag gano'n na tuloy-tuloy paglabas, lalo na yung pintuan sa hagdanan, pag tuloy direkta na ganyan, tapos pintuan, sinasabi ko sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy ang labas ng pera. So, what is, nakakita na ako niyan. So, talagang ang lakas ng energy. Kasi makaka-attract ako ng kumbaga mararamdaman ko, mababibrate ko yung negativity. So, what is the Ace of Wands and the Chariot card? So, there's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. See, kailangan mo transition, kailangan mong baguhin. Kailangan mong kumilos. Kung gusto mo na bago, malaki kumilos ka. Mali ang position mo. So, what is the Ace of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune? Kaya pala nandito si Wheel of Fortune. Kumbaga, there's a bless. Nandito na tayo sa swerte, no? Talagang ang Capricorn, para sinasabi na may swerte ka dito at meron kang healing and happiness and miracles. For a tendency, mali lang talaga ng positions. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. And of course, there's a full card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a leap of faith or process of progress, no? Step by step, no? Step by step, it means the stairs talaga. Normally talaga yung stairs or something. So, what is Knight of Wands and of course the Two of Pentacles? What is that Knight of Wands and the Two of Pentacles? There's an Ace of Pentacles. There's a big money opportunities coming in for you. No, there's a material offer. There's house and lot or something or sasakyan na makakatulong sa iyo para maging balansa pero kailangan mo maging mahinahon. Baka paggastos or something. Kasi ang nangyayari, kasi kahit na pilitin mo nga hindi gumastos, talagang tuloy-tuloy. That because may mali ditong position. So, what is the Tower moment in the Two of Wands? So, there's the lover. So, some of you ha, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng, kumbaga magpagbubuklo din kayo ng pagkakataon, na pagbubuklo din kayo ng panahon nitong tao na to, no? Muli mo matatagpuan ng taong na magmamahal sa'yo at magkakaroon ka ng balance. Or baka natagpuan mo na, some of you. What is the Star card and the Queen of Cups? So, there's a Four of Wands. So, there's a twin flame energy. May twin flame energy talaga dito na magkakaroon ka ng healing talaga na makakamtan at baka nakamtan mo na yung taong, di ba, hindi lang kilig. Talagang merong love and care, tenderness. Ganun. So, what is the additional outcome? Diba? So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the High Priestess. There's a hidden agenda or hidden enemy. See? Maraming aspeto dito na, kumbaga, maraming kailangan gawin or something may kailangan na mag-actions. Kumbaga, maraming hidden agenda. 'Di ba? May mga mali-mali, may mga, kumbaga, may mga pattern na kailangan mong i-block or may mga pattern na kailangan mong ayusin. So, let's see what is additional. Kasi nandun ka na sa the moon and of course, there's the star. Para pinapakita dito na there's a dream and coming true. Pero there's an information na there's a solutions. Kumbaga nakikita mo yung parang potion or something, no? May mali kang ginawa, meron ka dapat gawin, no? And of course, na kailangan mong gamitan, no, ng spiritual. And of course, there is the King of Cups, there's a devoted and supportive person. Or some of you, baka nagkaroon ng love potion dito, no? Baka itong person mo naghiwalay kayo dahil ginayuma, or some of you may come back, no? And because there's an Eight of Wands, so there's a fast communication and fast movement. No, bibilis ang takbo dito. Oh, it's all about devil. My goodness. Power the deck, there's a devil. So, some of you guys, meron talagang devil energy dito na merong negative energy or there's a black magic involved or there's a gayuma nga, no? Love potions. So, let's see what is additional love messages. Pag dito may snake ha, naloka na lang talaga ako. Additional messages. Healthy choices and key on the ring. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga, panatiliin mo yung sarili mo, no? In a good health, no? Maging masaya ka from the fullest. And of course, that enough, may mga bagay or mayroon jealous or naiingit sa'yo. No? And of course, nagkaselos, ganun ang key on the ring, no? Kumaga, there's a lot of options. Maraming oportunidad na papasok dito. And of course, there's a clock, no? Time to heal. Needs time. So, kailangan talaga ng oras at panahon. So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. What is a yin and yang oracle card? Okay, there's a assistance, spirit guides. Kailangan mo ng spirit guides dito, no? Yung gagabay sa'yo about sa spirituality. May mali talaga. See, there is a sabotage. Nagkakaroon ng sabotahe, no? And of course, there's shadow side, the moon card, no? There's a truth behind. And of course, there's a revelation. At the same time, there's a higher self activation. No, kailangan mo malaman about sa spirituality. May mali talaga. Ang lakas ng sense ko, may maling position talaga sa inyong tahanan. Or something yung, merong nagbablock ng good energy sa inyo. Kaya yung swerte ay mailap. No? Pero nandito yung swerte, pero hindi pumapasok ng tuloy-tuloy. No? Let's see what is additional messages for this energy. Let's see what is additional messages. There is an appreciation. So, some of you ha, kumbaga, marunong ka naman daw mag-appreciate ng bagay-bagay. Okay lang mo mag-appreciate ng mga maliliit na bagay or malalaki, no? And kasi sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a door to the personal healing and happiness. So, may pintuan daw para sa kaligayan at talagang kagalingan, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, no? About sa health. Kumaga may health issues din dito. And of course, 7th chakra Archangel Uriel, about sa finances. So, parang binibigyan ka ng signs or synchronicities dito, kailangan mo mag-take ng actions, no? For your finances, in a good way. For the greatest good. For additional messages. And of course, there is you're not for everyone. So, some of you, there's a weirdness. Or some of you guys, parang hindi ka flexible to everyone. So, kumbaga, nahihirapan kang makisalamuha. Parang, kumbaga, pag ayaw mo sa isang tao, ganun. And of course, learn how to be human in the world, but not of it. Ibig sabihin dito, matuto kang, kumbaga, makisalamuha or kailangan mong matuto, no? Ganun talaga. Bilang isang tao, no, marami pinagdadaanan sa buhay at marami kang kailangan gawin, no? Upang maisa katuparan. So, let's see what is Monsology. Ang human kasi is, kumbaga, maraming mga pagdadaanan or mistakes, no? Or obstacles, experiences, no? Ganun talaga. And of course, a new start is coming. So, parating na raw ang bagong simula. And of course, the answer you need is coming, no? Ito na yung hinihiling mong kasagutan. So, this is it. So, what is Archangel Michael messages for you? This situation is already resolved. So, some of you na solusyonan na yung problema nyo, no? Or focus upon divine perfect health. So, some of you kailangan mo talagang magpagamot or magpagaling. Or some of you may health issues talaga dito, no? And of course, there's pay attention to your dreams, no? Kailangan mo mag-focus sa pangarap mo. Or sa panaginip mo, baka mayroong pinapasok sa panaginip mo. Baka signs or synchronicities yan. Or there's a judgment. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga kanya-kanya tayo mga pagdadaanan or may kanya-kanya tayong challenges sa buhay, no? Let's see what is additional. Archangel Raphael. Second options, no? So, some of you kailangan ng second opinion. Baka nagpatingin ka na, pero kailangan mo pang alamin palalo. And of course, there is an expected miracle. See? There is a miracle behind, no? Kailangan mo yung karamdaman mo, hindi siya normal. So, kailangan mo ng spiritual, no? So, what is the chakra messages for you? Let's see what is the chakra messages for you. There's a release. So, kailangan mo i-release daw to. I told you, diba? Kailangan mo i-release yung impase, yung harang. May humaharang. Ngayon, nakita mo siya para nakaharang na. Yung may humaharang. Oh my God! Talagang inaano niya, no? Talagang sinasabi ng ating mga baraha yung lahat-lahat ng mga information. And because there is a builder. So, some of you, no? Parang palakasin mo yung pundasyon or something, no? Na kailangan mong gawin para maging malakas. And because there's an infinite abundance, magkakaroon ka ng kasaganahan dito. At the same time, there's an oracle card. See, parang nagkaroon ka na ng gut feeling or instinct dito. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka na ng premonition or something na may mga bagay na parang pinakita na sa'yo na may mali or something, no? And because there's a time to decide, kailangan mo na mag-decision ngayon as soon as possible. So, let's see what is additional messages. Angel Spirit Guides, there's an, oh my God, taking action. Kailangan mo talaga mag-take ng action. No? Additional messages. And of course, there's a third eye. Oh my God, clairvoyant. Sabi ko na may pasilip eh. And of course, there is an self-inventory. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo rin mag-invest sa sarili mo. And of course, there is an inner truth na malalaman mong katotohanan. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Sinasabi dito, take their no thought for the morrow shall take thought for things itself. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, wag mo nang antay, kumbaga, pumapasok sa isip mo na, kumbaga, wag mong pangunahan yung mangyayari kinabukasan, pero kailangan mong gawin or kailangan mo mag-take ng action para sa iyong kinabukasan. Parang ganon, yung sinasabi dito, no? So, let's see what is the angel's number. Huwag mo siya pangungunahan, pero kailangan mo mag-take ng action para sa magandang kinabukasan mo. 'Di ba? Let's see what is the 10. I am ingenious. So, sinasabi dito, you have a great leadership skill, your mind is sharp, and allow you to dream up ingenious ideas, organize all the details that direct others to carry things out. So, ibig sabihin nito, matalas ang iyong kaisipan. Sa lahat ng bagay, mabilis ka makapag-build ng mga ideas, informations, no? Kumbaga, gusto mo nakaayos at gusto mo talaga ay talagang stable or kumbaga naka-fix na or kumbaga naka-organize na, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kaya mong hipuin sila, no? Yung kaisipan nila, kaya mong turuan yung mga tao na yan. Na, kumbaga, you have also a leader, no? Be a leader or something, a professor or kumbaga, kumbaga, kung if you are a public servant na baka isa ka sa namumuno, no? Sa iyong komunidad. So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? So, sinasabi dito, everything changes. So, may pagbabago talaga. And so, sinasabi dito, as softlight radiates from my heart, it illuminates those around me and transform every situation I encounter. I maintain positive attitude in spite of any difficulties I may perceive. No matter what circumstances, I remain a source of true joy. Everything changes when it is a bat in the light of divine. So, ibig sabihin dito, alam mo talaga na lahat magbabago, no? At alam mo, lahat tayo, kumbaga, magkakaroon ng kaganapan at muling magiging maganda ang eksena. So, sinasabi sa dito, itong pagbabago na to, hindi para sa ikasisira mo, para sa ikaluunlad mo, at ikalalawak ng kaalaman mo. So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of November 8 hanggang November 16 for the sign of Capricorn. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa walang sampag support sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapasiksik-liglig na umapaw na biyaya ang babalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!